Search engine optimization. People talk about it, people hate on it, people say it's the best thing in the world. It certainly seems to be the thing that every business is chasing, and rightfully so. A well-optimized website with a really powerful SEO plan behind it can bring in hundreds of leads a month. We've seen it in our business, we've seen it with our clients' businesses. So why does it feel like it's always just outside your grasp? Well, there's a lot of factors in it. There's a lot of agencies doing it different ways. Google's always updating its algorithms. There's lots of factors that are always changing in the SEO. But what isn't changing here at Blue Crocus is our unending quest to continually learn, test, iterate, and implement for our clients to help them get better search engine results that actually drive leads in the door. Now, we have a lot of free resources and we're continually building them out. So if you want some free resources and you're not quite ready to jump in with us, reach out. We'd love to create that resource for you or point you in the right direction. But often it takes a lot of time to actually implement those resources. And depending on where you are in your business, it may make sense to reach out to someone like us to help you implement those things and have someone consistently working on your website, your Google business listing, all the directories that your business is listed on, and just keeping you there present, telling Google what you do, where you do it, how you do it, and showing Google that you are worthy of trust and authority and being served up to people that are looking for your business. So if you're someone that's doing 20K per month and beyond currently and looking to scale past 7 figures and keep on going, give us a shout. We may be the right fit for you. We'll take a look at what you've got going on, see if we can come in and actually provide an impact to your business, and we'll take it from there. Do not wait though. We are exclusive to only one company in a particular area. So if you want to stay in front of your competition, book a call with us now, get on our calendar, and we'll chat and see if we are a good fit and if we can lock you in for your area. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.